Alright, so what I want you to do now is to create an account at Avatern. So, punta tayo sa Avatern. Dito, what you're gonna do here is you can create now your own 3D characters by using a simple orthographic picture. Now, for your project, you just have to model now, for example, yung mga non-human assets, like for example, mga spaceship, ano pa, potions, table, and so on. But for the characters, we can create now your own um, 3D model using AI. Okay, so let's try that now. So let me just log in. Now, when you log in for the first time, it will ask you to take a picture on your mobile phone. Okay lang yon, sundan nyo lang yon. Pero dito kasi, once you're able to do that, you could now create unlimited avatars just using orthographic pictures. So that's why on the assignment, I ask you now to bring yung mga orthographic pictures of your character. Like for example, pag zombie, make-upan yung sarili nyo, pwede. Okay, so last time meron akong Joker eh. Tingnan nyo, pakita ko muna. Okay? Ang ginawa ko, kumuha ako ng, tawag dito, kumuha ako ng front and side view ni Joker, tapos yun yung ginawa kong, ayun o, yan yung ginawa kong avatar ko in which I incorporated in my game. So kung meron kayong zombies, witch, pwede yon, okay? Just modify the orthographic faces in Photoshop. Ayan, no? Naka-makeup lang siyang ganyan. Okay? Sige. So, now, let me just log in again to my different account. So, tatlo kayo in your group or individual but that's unlimited avatars. So, now that you have logged into Avatar and you created your initial avatar using the photos on your mobile phone, you can create now a new avatar. Tapos dito, you just click on upload from device and then just upload your front face, your left face, and right face. Now, if it's a girl, okay, make sure i-click nyo yan. Tapos, pwedeng version 1 and version 2. Version 2, I'll explain that later, pero um, you just upload, for example, the frontal, left, and right photos. Tapos, pag na-upload nyo na yan, what would happen now is, it will create now your avatar similar to this one. Okay? So, yun yung avatar ko. Yan, no? You could change now, for example, yung tone. Ayan, no? Paitimin mo, and so on. I think it's that 0. Ayan, okay? Then you could modify the head, chest, and so on. Ayan, so, yung body type. Ayan, you can also change the hair if you want. Ayan, okay? Change the hair color kung gusto nyo. Ayan, okay? So, just play around with this until you get the image that you're looking for. Pwede mo rin, for example, palitan ng damit. Okay? Ayan. Palitan natin ng damit. Yan. For example, yan yung gusto kong damit. Okay? You could also add eyeglasses, feet, and then you could also add your animation here. But later on, gagawa tayo ng sarili nating animation. Okay? So, okay. So, for example, I'm content with my avatar. Gusto ko na siyang i-download. Okay? I want now to download this character. All you have to do now is just to click on this icon here. Yan. Ito, merong avatar T-pose, body only, and avatar with animation. So yung avatar T-pose, this is what you have to click. Basically, it downloads your avatar including the hairstyle and the clothing. Pag body only T-pose, ang nangyayari dyan is it downloads your character pero wala yung mga nilagay mong mga custom hair, custom accessories, and so on. Avatar with animation, yung kasamang animation na pinili nyo from this one. But in my case, avatar with T-pose lang. Ayan. So, download, ayan na siya. Alright. So, if you're gonna create an avatar, tapos ginawa nyo, for example, version 2, the character will not be as accurate as possible, pero ang nangyayari dyan is it follows your face movement. So try that. It follows your face movement using yung webcam. The only downside there is hindi exportable yung facial animation or blend shapes when you use version 2. Okay? It can be animatable yung faces no, pero hindi siya exportable into any game engine. Okay? So hopefully soon meron na 'yon. All right. Uh-huh. Let me just show you kung anong itsura ng version 2. Let's me go back. Okay. So ito yung version 2. Notice if you use version 2, the face is not that recognizable. But you could experiment with this one. Ito lang, pakita ko lang. Yan. Okay, so pag klinik ko tong camera, okay, allow, this would now follow the movements of my face. Ayan, teka lang ha. Kita ba? Hello. Ayan. Ayan, no? So, notice, while I'm talking, it follows me even if I'm blinking. You could record the animation. Ayan, you could record the animation. Ayan. However, the animation of the lips, it will record it as a video file, not as a 3D file. Ano? Hello, hello. Ayan, it follows me. It follows my movement. But again, it's not exportable in any game engine. Okay? So, yun lang kung gagamit kayo ng version 2. Okay? Ayan. Alright? But, let's go back now to the version 1. And, if you're gonna download this, just click on this arrow. So, if I'm not mistaken, I already downloaded this. Okay? Saan ba? Ayun, yung Model GLB. Alright? So, the second assignment now, after bringing your orthographic pictures, your next assignment was to bring the camera dapat so that you could record a movement. So, and then I asked you to create an account at deepmotion.com. Right? So, mag-sign up lang kayo. Now, when you sign up, okay, let me just wait for this. Okay, pause ko lang. Medyo naghahang yung internet. I'll just see you in the next video. Okay?